exposing the secret sauce in QA job hunting. It's not just your skills, but where you look. Let's unlock your next opportunity together. Hi, I'm glad you're here. At QA Insights Hub, we're your daily go-to for everything quality assurance. From the basics of manual testing to the future with automation tools like Selenium, Postman, API testing, and Cypress. Whether you're a fresher, experienced QA pro, or thinking of switching careers, you'll find practical tutorials, industry tips, and the latest job alerts every single day. Struggling with interviews? We've got you covered with insider tips and real questions asked by top companies. And for the job hunters, don't miss our daily shorts, packed with hot openings and LinkedIn referrals to help you land your dream role faster. Our mission? To help you learn, grow, and get hired, faster and smarter. Join a growing community of QA explorers just like you, and never miss a chance to upskill or score your next great job. So, if you're ready to supercharge your QA journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And for even more job updates and exclusive tips, follow us on Instagram at QA Explorer Club. Welcome to QA Insights Hub. Let's make your QA career unstoppable.